Welcome back and thanks for being with us in Action 10 News First at 4. I'm Drew Spire. Some good news today from the Troubleshooters about the story we reported just yesterday. Work has begun in the kitchen of Caitlin Champine's apartment. New management told us repairs would begin this morning, and Miss Champine sent us these pictures showing that work has begun. She initially called us because the kitchen sink overflowed 3 times since Christmas, but nothing was done to fix the problem. Well, the problem is a broken main pipeline underground. So yesterday we called the United Apartment Group corporate office in San Antonio, which manages her property. They promised to get it fixed today, and they are honoring that promise.